Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this must-have parts organizer by OEMTOOLS model number 22186 from Mobile Distributor Supply. A link to this will be included in the video description. It's taken me quite a bit of time to go through all the parts, fasteners, clips, pins, and other items to finally get some of the small items reasonably organized. These come in a kit. First you have one large 11-inch 9-compartment container, and there'll also be two small 5.5-inch 6-compartment containers. I have plenty of examples so you can easily get an idea how to go about your organization needs. This can be quite time consuming and you'll need the patience to sort out what may be a mess, but it's certainly worth it in the end once done. As you can see, I've sorted out the parts by nuts, bolts, body fasteners, lock washers, flat washers, screws, rivets, nails, clips, seals, O-rings, hose barbs, fuses, socket heads, metric, imperial, etc. These can even be used for crimp terminals, other electrical components, springs, fishing equipment, sewing supplies, jewelry work, model making, art supplies, and other types of small items. Some of these fasteners are more prone to rusting and were stored in open bins, which allowed for moisture exposure, causing some rust. Now they're in closed containers, which can provide some protection. In order to promote further protection, a lightweight oil such as WD-40 can be misted in each container to help with the protection. Another option is also using silica gel packs to absorb moisture. These can be found with packaging that includes electronics, shoes, clothing, etc. With the old open containers, I also had issues where bugs were dying in the bins or spiders were making nests. Now that the containers are closed up, I no longer have this issue. Some of the compartments have removable dividers, which allows for customization of the size of a compartment based on whatever the item you have. If you are also finding a particular compartment is too full with one type of product, then remove a divider to increase its capacity. One of the more important aspects I have found with filling up a compartment is the orientation. Don't just dump the items into one spot. Nails are a great example of this. If you dump them into a pile, it actually takes up more room than if it's neatly packed alongside each other. With the clear lids, you can easily see what's inside each compartment. Depending on your organization, if you're unsure of what size is required, you can take the whole organizer over to your work spot. The lids are hinged on the rear, so there's no need to worry about any flexing of plastic joints which may possibly break. Snap latches on the front keeps the organizer securely closed, so there's no chance of losing any items or having them mix up in between compartments. These can be stacked and will lock into place with the little pads on the bottom of each container. They can also be stood on their edge for easier access depending on your workspace. If you want to improve further organization, you can install labels on each of the cases, either on the sides to show the contents or even on the lids to name the items in each compartment. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below to help out fellow viewers. New videos are released every week on my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.